Right. Don't say right. Don't say right. You don't want to embarrass yourself on the internet. Stop saying right. Oh, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream. Guys, sorry, I did not know we actually went live right there. I was trying to force it into my head to stop saying the R word. You guys know what the R word is, right? I said it. I'm not going to use that word this stream, guys. I swear I'm going to try. I know you guys are playing a drinking game, and my goal is to have a bunch of sober people leaving this live stream. But anyway, guys, welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single day here at 5:45 p.m. right after Around the Blockchain. I'm going to say it. ATB gang. Show some love in chat. Let me know how DZ treated you guys. Let me know. Was he a good boy today? Was he a good boy or a bad boy? Let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin today. We got a lot of stuff to talk about. Just hanging out in really, really sketchy territory. Are we going up? Are we going to go down? We're going to take a look at everything. We're taking a look at the alts, guys. Just a heads up, little bit of a shorter stream today. I'm actually going to the Braves game with Aaron Curry, who comes in chat a lot. He works here at the office, and also Brian from Meta Money and his wife. We're going to the Braves game. We got some pretty cool seats. So going to be going there. So it's going to be a little bit shorter of a live stream. But nonetheless, we're looking at Bitcoin. We're checking the alts. I'm letting you guys know what I'm thinking, where are we going, what levels are we watching. And then we could check in on my trades, although nothing really has happened that differently from yesterday. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys. Hit that like button if you guys want to get some spins on the Wheel of Pain and Pleasure. We are giving away 4 NFTs to 4 different winners. We're going to be announcing them today. If you guys want to enter for a chance to win one of these NFTs, Tyler has been spamming the video in chat. It's the VPVR video. You're going to want to go watch the video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and be a subscriber to get entered in to win that giveaway. We give away like 100 NFTs a month, I feel like. But yeah, so definitely go do that. If you got to leave and come back, that's fine. Just get yourself in there so you get a chance to win that NFT. And for every 100 likes we get, you guys get another spin on the wheel. So definitely do that if you guys want to continue to keep winning these NFTs. All right, before we get started, guys, let's go ahead and say what is up to chat. Chemistry, bro, what is going on? Welcome back. Freedom Man, welcome back. Crypto Billy, as always, really, really happy to see you here, man. Let's see. Michael Norris, what's going on? Jimmy Boy, Jimmy Two Shoes, I got my black coffee right here, brother. Let's go. Salud, my paisan. Parabolic Party Bus, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Crypto Billy, thank you for being here. He says I should wear one of my shirts. I should wear the CandleMafia shirt in one of my videos. Absolutely will be doing that. Thank you for those shirts, Crypto Billy. I appreciate you, man. Mrs. Candles was a big fan too. She was like, hey, where'd you get that shirt? I said, Crypto Billy. She goes, hey, we met Crypto Billy in Miami. I was like, yeah. She was like, that's great. I love him. That's a cool shirt. I was like, yeah, I love him too. Anyway, Rob the Crypto Snob, what is going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Blazing Saddles, welcome back. Steve, NBF Forum, what is going on? Quality Control Kennels, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Tyler Durden, one of our wonderful mods. Captain Kirk, another one of our wonderful mods. Captain Kirk said she worked a 19-hour day, so she might not be able to make it tonight, but she's here. She's here. Captain Kirk, go get some rest. It's okay. You do enough for us. We can forgive you if you got to go get some sleep. Thank you for always being here. Go ahead and enjoy yourself some rest. But thanks for popping in for sure. I appreciate you. Turtle fan, what's going on? Mitch, what's up? Crypto Fur, what is going on? Eric, Sasha, Kelly, let's see. Looney, welcome back. Thank you for being here, brother. Deep Kush, good to see you as always, Deep Kush. Eric, Moosey Moose, what is going on? EXP show, let's get a couple more in here. XR, oh, wow, same icon, not XRP Show Billy. I don't know if you're in here, XRP Show Billy. What's up if you are? Let's see, Audi Trades, Crypto 007, Jeff, Sam, Daddy Zach, Gravette, what's going on? David and Bart. What's going on, Bart? I like your name, but I don't like the Bart Simpson patterns that we get on Bitcoin. But, I mean, they're pretty predictable, so maybe I do like them. But, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts and try to figure out what's going on with Bitcoin because things are getting a little bit sketchy. Let's check it out. This is not what we wanted. We wanted this. So here we go. Just real quick. You know what? Let's go ahead and let's just pull up. Let's just go ahead and pull up CoinMarketCap just to get a little bit of an overview of just the markets in general. Bitcoin down 1%. Kind of an uneventful day, to be 100% honest. I mean, everything's kind of either down or hasn't really moved. Let's see. Let's check the top gainers. 12%. Tron up. Algo up. Zilliqa up. And yeah, Gala up a little bit. Yeah, things starting to get a little bit of a bounce, so not looking too bad. Biggest losers, anybody GMT just continuing to dump. Let's see. Yeah, nothing really. Yeah, Thorchain down 5%, Ape down 5%, Near down 5%, Sandbox down 5%, Moonbeam down 5%. Yeah, Elrond. Ooh, Elrond down 5%. Yeah. All right, that's just a quick little market overview, but let's just go ahead and jump into these charts. Actually, let's go ahead and check on these trades real quick. 171 up 20% on the Bitcoin trade, up 27%. I actually did add a little bit to these positions as we came up a little bit. I added another few $100s to this trade. I actually don't think I added anything to the ETH trade, but I beefed up that Bitcoin trade a little bit as we pumped. Hopefully we can come back down and I can make a little more money there. Little blood diamond on the 15-minute, not the best look as we're starting here on the lower time frames. But let's go on to the daily, guys. Let's go ahead and see. Let's see. Tony, hey, Tony, strolling in late, Tony. That's okay. I got your late pass. I got the email. I knew what was going on. It's okay. What's going on, Tony? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Guys, these mods do so much to help out our community and help me out. Show them some love in the chat. They are the best. And listen, they make my life a lot easier, and I would be lost without them. Lane Hughes, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here, Lane. All right. So starting off here on the daily for Bitcoin, guys. Now we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about the things that could bring us down, and we're going to talk about some things that look like maybe we can come back up and get a little bit of a bounce. That's kind of, you saw the title. Are we getting a little bounce? Are we gonna keep dumping from here? I'm going to give you guys, kind of what I'm thinking, and I'm going to give you reasons to back that. I'm not just going to say, hey, we're going to bounce because I'm feeling bullish, right? Because what does that even mean? I'm going to show you guys exactly why I think we might bounce or why we might come down. I'm going to give you both cases, give you the evidence for both sides, and then you can make your own decision. Because at the end of the day, guys, nobody really knows. Nobody knows. And if they're telling you they know, they're lying to you. Nobody knows for 100% what is going to happen in the markets. It's unpredictable. So, it's nobody knows. But we can use information that we find on the charts to make put probability on our side for trading. I'm getting a spam phone call, guys. Getting a spam phone call from Plant City, Florida. So yeah, that's interesting. Get out of here. Spam them. Spam them. Anyway, okay, guys. So on the daily, let's take a look. Money flow in the red, not looking good. I do think we can come down much deeper with this red money flow. You know, it's looking like a bear market. I don't wanna, you know, I'm not gonna go ahead and say there's no chance of making all-time highs by the end of this year, but guys, it's really not looking good. It's looking like a bear market. It's looking like Bitcoin is repeating what it has repeated time and time again, right? And, you know, I know a lot of these people are just like, no, this is the bottom. It's going up. It's going up. I was actually talking to some people in the office today. It's like, you know, before we go back to the chart, everyone's just, oh, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up, right? And these people say this stuff forever. And then eventually they're going to be right. And when you try to tell them, oh, you know, I don't think it's going up, and they're going, it's going up. Just wait, just wait. And then eventually when it goes up, they're just like, see, I told you. And it's like, yeah, you've been saying that for a year. Oh, we're going back up. This happened. I think we're going to go up at this time. And then like, they never say when they're wrong, but they only say when, you know, a broken clock is right twice a day, right? If you just keep saying the same thing, eventually it's going to happen. And then you just celebrate when it happens and you ignore when it doesn't happen. So, you know, these people are saying, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. And then when we drop, if we drop down to the mid 20s and get a bounce and then finally go up to all new time highs into a new cycle, they'll be like, see, I told you it was going up. And it's like, yeah, you've been saying it was going up forever. Eventually you're going to be right. So that's why, you know, on this channel, we kind of just go back and forth. We read the charts. Are we going to go down short term? Are we going to go up short term? And then what we think long term. Now, this is looking like a bear market, guys. Until Bitcoin does something different, which, you know, you would be lying to yourself if you didn't say that this cycle played out a little differently than any of the other ones. But they've all kind of played out a little differently, right? You had a double top in 2013. 2017, you had one crazy blow off top. You know, they all have their little quirks. They're not all exactly the same. But, you know, right now it's looking very similar to 2018. Very, very similar to 2018. So are we going to see it play out? Maybe. But on the daily, money flow back in the red here, not looking the best. We are right underneath. We'll zoom in and look at this again, but we are right underneath this 786 fib level. Very sketchy level. I'm kind of just waiting to retest this as resistance and come back down. Some levels we have below us, just to point these out, 33,653 right here. Could see a bounce off of this. And then below that, we do have about 32,000 even, which should act as some pretty strong support. So even if we do come dumping down, I think there is a chance that we will see some bounces around here. Maybe you get a big dump down here, and then you kind of just do the boring stuff over here. And then finally you go down, get kind of boring, and then you come down to those summer lows right here at about 29K. And then, you know, then the question is, are you going to see the huge, you know, boom, 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 and then are you going to get the mega death candle down to 20K? That is the $1 million question that everybody wants to know. But we're going to have to see what happens. We've been pretty close so far, being able to predict what happened. We predicted the little relief bounce that we got just recently, and you know, one of our targets hit perfectly, rejected to one of our first support targets, right? Which was this 786 fib level. So we nailed that on the dot. I'm pretty happy the way that the CandleMafia has been able to see these moves coming and predict them as well as we can, right? No one's going to get it 100% on the dot 100% of the time. But all you need to do is be right more than half the time and you're good, right? So, yeah, that's, you know, that's kind of my thoughts. These are the support levels we're watching just in case we do come down lower, which I do think is probable. But let's go ahead and, you know, if you come down here, 16-hour, you know, money flow kind of flat. VWAP coming up, not too bad. Looking at the 10-hour, you know, generally coming up, but that money flow is starting to come down there. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour. Now, yeah, so this is not confirmed yet. Now, this is a couple reasons. Now, you guys kind of get my long-term thing. I do think we're in a bear market now. Personally, you know, it's kind of, there's some subjectivity to what a bear market is. In my opinion, it's looking real close to 2018. And you have to understand that this happens in every bear market. Everybody goes, Oh, it'll go back up. And then it starts pumping. They're like, see, new all-time highs. And then you come down. Well, it's just got to retrace. It'll come up again. And then it makes a lower low. And then it comes up. They're like, all-time highs. See, all-time highs. And then another lower low. And then by the time they finally, these people who think that we're going to all-time highs, by the time they realize and they finally go, all right, fine, I guess it's a bear market. Usually that's the bottom. Right? And you see this happen every cycle. If you've gone through a bear market, you can remember that in 2018, every time we get a bounce on the way down, everyone's like, oh my God, it's all-time highs. And then you just get crushed back down. So, you know, it gets very emotional when you get a bounce up. Everyone gets emotional and euphoric. And oh my God, we're going up. Can you believe we pumped 15%? That's not normal. We're going all the way up. But the cycles repeat. The cycles repeat. And I'm not saying we can't see the extended cycle theory play out. That's really the big thing. I am just curious. I wish I could fast forward time to see what happened. But are we going to see the extended cycle theory play out? It's looking more and more like no every day. You know, every day you find a bearish thing on the charts, on the longer time frames. It's just looking more and more like 2018 bear market every single day. But here's your bull case for a little bit of a bounce, right? Not all-time highs, but a little bit of a bounce. You are starting to print a bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. Let's see, is it coming on? Yeah, I mean, you will probably print one here on the 6 hour pretty soon. What's the daily looking like? Yeah, nothing on the daily, but this 4 hour printing this bullish divergence right here, right? With the momentum waves coming up and your price making lower lows. You got that pinch point, right? And then we usually see price squeeze out of those and come to the upside. So is there a little bit of relief on the horizon? This is not confirmed yet, this green dot. Not confirmed yet. Will be confirmed in 2 hours even. Wait, hang on. It's 2 hours and 6 seconds. Let's wait the 5 seconds. Hang on. Confirms in 2 hours exactly, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, this could move you up, right? Now, here's another reason why I do think we could get a move to the upside, possibly. You'll notice 4 hour VWAP crossing up above that zero line. You'll see that right there. That yellow VWAP wave is about to cross over that zero line. And if you come on down to the 15-minute, you're starting to have your 15-minute money flow work its way up towards that zero line. So if you were looking for a long, you can look to enter on this money flow crossover on the 15-minute. But I would be very cautious entering longs in the environment that we're in right now. I said this in the Discord early this morning. You know, I pointed this stuff out and I said, listen, like you can look for this 4 hour, 15-minute crossover for a possible long entry, but be careful because we're in a really bearish environment. And I mean, even here, you're printing a blood diamond on the 15-minute. It's just not looking the best. And you know, you'd like to see this money flow getting a little closer to the zero line. We'll have to see what happens. But I mean, so far since yesterday, guys, we lost this. I was actually looking at this last night, guys. Textbook bear pennant. Just coming down, consolidating in this bearish continuation pattern. Usually you see you come down in a downtrend, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, continue down. And this was basically textbook. This was basically textbook because I mean, it was perfect. Boom. I mean, you faked out a little here, but you came right back up. Boom, 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 boom. Consolidating, breakdown, retest. Another breakdown, second retest, boom, and then you come down, right? And then, you know, eventually you came back up, but you could have, even if you got in on this retest and held it, you could have come down here for about 2% profit. Throw a little 10x leverage on it, make it 20% profit, guys. If you guys want to sign up and trade with leverage to increase your buying power, right? Or short Bitcoin, long or short Bitcoin, with or without leverage, and you guys want to sign up for Femex, definitely click my link in the description below. You will get a deposit bonus. So you get a little bit of extra money in your account. It helps your boy out, Frankie Candles, just a little bit. So it's a win-win situation. Who doesn't like free money, and who doesn't like helping out Frankie Candles? Come on. But yeah, guys, so definitely check out that link if you guys want to sign up. Also, if you want to sign up for KuCoin, I just got a KuCoin referral link. I don't even really know... I don't know what it does yet. I got to look up and see what kind of deals it offers you guys. But if you guys are interested in signing up for KuCoin, link in the description. I think you will get some kind of deal. I have to double check on that for you. But if you want to sign up, help out your boy, definitely click that link in the description below. All right. So yeah, I mean, we're below, we broke below the 786 and we're just kind of dancing, right? I will tell you this. On these little retests of the 786, like right here, I was thinking if a yellow X pops up right here, I think we're going for a ride. But if we didn't get it right, you know, just kind of hovering below this level, it's not the best look. We don't have much support below us until these levels down here at about 33. So looking a little bit sketchy, guys. I'm not going to lie. However, that bullish divergence on the 4-hour is your bullish hope. But again, I would be very, very careful with the longs right now. You know, maybe we'll get a short squeeze. Who knows? But just know that, you know, we are in a bearish environment right now. So just be careful. I'm not saying we can't come up. You know, bullish divergences play out like almost all the time. Not 100% of the time, but like almost. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. Be careful, but there is a bullish divergence forming and confirms in about an hour and 56 minutes. So keep an eye out for that. Also, 4-hour, 15-minute strategy. That's another reason you could come up. But right now, I do think we can come down before that happens because we still have 2 hours to confirm the VWAP crossover and the green dot on the 4-hour. And we are printing a little trigger wave here with the blood diamond. So maybe we come down a little more here on the 15-minute before that money flow comes up. But not the perfect setup, but it is there. There is something there, but it's not perfect. So just be careful. All right, let's check chat real quick. Yo, stir the sauce, Frankie. I'm bringing the vino. Let's go, baby. A little vino and macaroni. That's what I'm talking about. Let me finish my coffee first. Jimmy Two Shoes. Shout out, brother. I appreciate you. I'm rocking the Italian limoncello. You drinking some limoncello? Okay, let's get it. I like limoncello. Is Bud Light even beer? I don't know, guys. I just recently started liking IPAs. But yeah, I guess Bud Light. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really a big drinker, to be honest. I'll drink it like socially, like at parties and stuff. But I'm not like a connoisseur. I don't drink for taste. I'll say that. I'm not I don't know. I don't really drink that much. But let's see. Braves or Yankees? Pick one, Frankie. Remember, Jimmy Void and the Godfather are in here. Oh boy. Listen, like you guys know, if you're OGs of the channel, you guys watch me a lot, you'll know I'm not the biggest sports guy. I'll take Yankees. You gotta rep New York. You know what I'm saying? I gotta rep the hometown. Plus, I don't want to get jumped by the Godfather and Jimmy Void, so let's just play that safe. But no, I'd pick Yankees. Yeah, I'd say Yankees. Again, the real answer is, listen, I like going to live sporting events. It's entertaining, but I don't really keep up with it, right? So I guess the real answer is I don't really care. But yeah, we'll go with Yankees. You got to rep New York, right? You got to have your hometown pride. Let's go. When we went to the Hawks game, that was pretty intense. They were playing the Knicks. I got a little into it at the Hawks game, not going to lie. That was fun. The Hawks games are fun. Basketball is probably my favorite sport overall and my favorite sport to watch. And the Knicks took it. I'll just say that. Really, the sport that I'm actually into is UFC. I'm a big UFC guy. That's the one that I do follow and I do like. But I don't know if you consider that a sport, an extreme sport. I don't know. But the UFC is like tomorrow. I think Cerrone's fighting. Let me see. UFC fans, let me know. Hashtag UFC if you guys like. If you got some fighting fans in here. I thought Cerrone retired. I don't know, but I'm excited for fight night tomorrow. Let's see. I'm going in long on my girl. Okay. Who said that? Jose. All right. I see you. Putting 100x long in tonight. I see. Yankee Stadium is pretty sweet. Yeah, the Yankee Stadium's nice. All right, let's see. Come on, Frankie, skip my message. Oh, Lane Hughes, hang on. Let me find it. Frankie, I'm looking this being a triple bottom. Bring up the Investopedia example. And it's almost a mirror of the flag of the bear flag. If it was to play out, it would go to 33K, bounce off. Thoughts? Interesting. Wait, triple bottom off of 33K? Is that what you're saying? I'm looking at this being a triple bottom. Bring up the Investopedia example, and it's almost a mirror of the flag of the bear flag. If it was to play out. Lane. Interesting. I'm not 100% sure where I know what you're saying. Are you saying triple bottom? Are you saying triple bottom 1, 2, 3, like triple bottom on this trend line? Or are you saying, yeah, I don't know where. I don't know. Try to clear that up because I'm interested in what you're seeing. I'm interested. And we'll take a look at it. All right, let's see. Let's Let's see. UFC. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Oliveira missed weight. Really? Probably with the bottoms from last year in 2021 as well. Is that what you're talking about? Because we've brought that up a few times where maybe it's 1 bottom, 2 bottom, and then we're going to come down and test here for 3. But that's 28K, not 33. Cerrone is a pit bull. He is old, but still fun to watch fight. Yeah, absolutely. Frankie C, it is the long term, much longer. There's only one team for me in the world, Amsterdam Football Club. Let's go. Yes, I am a flat part of the flag, not the pole. Get it, Rob. Crypto made the same point, triple bottoms. Yeah, there's a couple people talking about that. We'll see. We brought this up when I first made the channel, different kinds of flat corrections you can get. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, that's kind of my thoughts on Bitcoin. Watch out for the 4-hour, 15-minute, but be very careful in this environment. We're either going to blast up and come in for a temporary bounce, relief bounce, or we're going to dump down here. And these are the levels to watch, as I gave them to you before. And let's go ahead and move on to the DXY, check in on this thing, see what it's doing. And let's go to the 4-hour, zoom in just a little bit here. And yeah. Okay. So, yeah, just still finding resistance down here. I said this on the morning show today. I do think we might just kind of bing bong around in here, even if we do get a breakout. I think we're going to go sideways for a little bit, as we did, similar to what we did down here with the golden pocket, right? Just kind of right here, we were just kind of like, you know, bouncing around, and then eventually you got that bounce off the golden pocket. I think we could see something similar play out here. Now, if the DXY completely loses support and breaks down hard, that's the only way. I mean, that's one thing that would support the extended cycle theory. If this thing just tops out right here and we just dump down hard, maybe that has us come up to all new time highs. But I honestly don't really, I would definitely lean further towards a breakout than a break up. Because if you zoom out here, let's go to even the monthly here. I mean, yeah, yeah, it's hard to say. I don't know. I would say it's more likely to break up than down. And if we do break down, I don't know how far we'll come. We'd have to have a pretty big dump because if you zoom out and you look at the last times that the DXY reversing caused, you know, not caused, but when we saw the DXY come down and we saw Bitcoin go on a massive bull run, you know, these were massive dumps. Like we're going to have to see this thing come all the way down. If we get a little even down to here, like that just might get a little weird, right? Bitcoin might move sideways. It'll be boring, right? And then if we get the huge breakout to the upside for the DXY, we'll see Bitcoin just absolutely come down into a full bear market, retest those lows, summer lows, and mid to low 20s, in my opinion. Again, I brought this up yesterday, guys. I was talking about how, you know, I was texting Evan. We were trying to get a little collab going on his channel. And, you know, he was talking about, we were just kind of talking about what we thought about the markets. And he brought up this monthly red X, not confirmed, but he was saying, you know, typically if you backtest these, you know, they've marked right before we capitulate down and bottom. So, you know, granted, other than rather different here, this one didn't play out as much, but this was, you know, during weird times. We all know what was going on in March of 2020. So that might have been a fluke, but, you know, red X, big capitulation, right? Red X right before a big capitulation, right? And then the only other weird one is like this. Every other one has ended in a big capitulation, right? Only 3 that we have ended in a huge big dump, right? X confirmed, go to the next candle, boom, 65%. I showed this yesterday. Red X, go to the next candle, boom, 53%. What are we going to see here? Well, we saw 65%, 53%. Markets maturing, getting a little less volatile. Maybe we don't see a full 53%, but maybe we see something like 40, you know, 35 or 40%. I mean, 20% brings us right down to these summer lows. And then, you know, 40% brings us to 22K, mid to low 20s. And then 35% brings us to about 24K. So kind of interesting price targets, right? I mean, very interesting. But yeah, you know, that's just another bearish puzzle piece there. Looking at the SPY, let's go ahead, go to the 4-hour, see what we got going on here. Now, I was talking about this on the morning show, guys. This is, we're holding support here, right? We came up, lost support, came back up, lost it again, and now we are holding this level here at about 410. And if we lose this level, this might not be good. We do not want to see another 4-hour yellow X pop up here. If that happens, we could be due for quite a dump, especially for Bitcoin. So keeping an eye on the SPY, but as of right now, still holding support. Money flow in the red on the 4-hour. Checking the daily. Yeah, yellow X on the daily. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Literally, every time you go on the charts, you find really bearish stuff. Guys, yellow X on the daily for the SPY. Look at that. Not a good look. Not a good look at all. Has this ever happened? This might be a first, guys. This might be a first. This is 2008, right? No, this is 2020. That was the C word dump. Let's go back to 2008. Let's see. Oh, there's one. There's one. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. What did that bring us down? Yellow X. Boom. 5%. Not pretty rare here. Here, let's go. Let's just keep going. 2 yellow X's there. Yeah, they brought you down, both of them. But yeah, there's another one. What did this one bring you down? Boom. 6%. See these little guys, they didn't really play out that bad. 3%. So between 3 and 5%, it seems they typically bring you down. This one, 5%. Where's 2008? We're creeping up on it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Especially with the you know, the thoughts of a looming recession. These yellow X's on the daily for the SPY, especially with the talks of you know, a recession possibly coming, is sketchy. So I mean, this brought you down. I mean, if you want to call it from this top of this first one, right here, bada boom, 46%. Yikes. That would not be good, guys. Bitcoin could go to 0. I'm kidding. But that would not be good, guys. That would not be good. We have not seen one of these yellow X's in quite some time. So, I mean, let's see where 5%, where would 5% bring us? And then let's see where 45% would bring us. Boom. Let's see. So you know, this one could be played out technically. We have seen them pull out for about 3%. That could be played out, but be careful. You know, 5% from here would bring you almost down to this trend line, 5-6%, and then I mean 46% is gonna, yeah, I mean that would not be good. That would not be good at all. But keep an eye on it, guys. That is not a good look. Not a good look. But also remember, look. They were saying they act like you're wearing a tinfoil hat when you bring up the blood diamonds on the weekly. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We called this out when we saw it. Guys, blood diamond on the weekly for the SPY as well as Bitcoin, not looking good. I mean, we've been saying it. We've been saying it. And you guys know, CandleMafia was aware. You guys knew what to expect. And we're seeing it play out. So very interesting. So when you see blood diamond on the weekly and then you got the yellow X's popping up on the daily, oh, God, not good. Not good. I mean, I guess technically this isn't, not good, guys. Not good. Every time, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Every time we look at the charts, I find another really bearish puzzle piece, and it's sketchy. It's really sketchy. ETH at 2687. Are we coming down? What's going on? Zooming in, guys. No, we're still kind of just, look at this. We're just kind of, ugh, God, this is so boring. Yeah, 2685 for ETH. It will go to 0. Didn't you hear Dan Pena? Putin is behind it. Yeah, I did see that. Dan Pena, entertaining man. Entertaining man. He is the best. He's a funny guy. You know who's behind Bitcoin? Putin. I've seen that video. He says it so pompously, too. Putin. Who knows? Maybe he's right. Who knows what that guy's hooked up with? Who knows? But I doubt it. I doubt it. Jacob, welcome. Thank you for being here, Jacob. Says, my man, Frankie, what's going on, my man? Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Putin's behind everything, yeah. Putin's behind shadow banning people on YouTube. I can confirm Frankie was actually saying this a lot. Thank you, Connor. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for keeping me honest, guys. Keep me honest. But yeah, I mean, we've been talking about this. I brought up the SPY, Blood Diamond, weekly Blood Diamond on Bitcoin, weekly Blood Diamond on XRP. When these things pop up on the weekly, they don't happen a lot. So you can't ignore them. And when I brought this up on Ben's channel, guys, I'm not gonna lie. You guys are the best, right? CandleMafia community is the best. You guys are supportive. And even when you're critical, you're constructively critical. You're not just hating, right? But when I brought this bear view that I was seeing on the charts to Ben's channel, people were not happy. That was the first time that I was expecting it was going to happen at some point, but that was the first time I really started getting some hate, like on my videos, on the comments and stuff. People just like really coming at me like, you don't know what you're talking about. We're not going down. This is the bottom. And I was just like, oh my God. People really did not like that. And it seems that those people that were hating like crazy either just read the thumbnail or they got into crypto probably 2 weeks ago, which is probably what happened. Because people get into crypto, they make 50 bucks and they think they're like a financial genius. It happens, but you know, I'm just telling you guys what I see on the charts. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. Things don't play out 100% of the time, but if I see it, I'm telling you guys, because thank God. Well, what if I told you guys, hey, there's a Blood Diamond, but don't worry, we're going back up. Just keep watching my YouTube channel. Keep my views up, guys. Keep my views up. Blood Diamond, it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Everybody would be longing and you guys would have got wrecked. I would never, ever let that happen to you guys, ever. So there you go. Thank you, Connor. I appreciate you. Any good TA on timeliness for the next move for Bitcoin? Good question. Good question. We'll come back to ETH in a second. The weekend's gonna, weekends are low volume, and weekends are low volume, and so I don't know. It depends. Sometimes we see crazy stuff happen on the weekends, and sometimes sometimes it's really boring. It's hard to put a time on it, but guys, we've got Aaron Curry, or AKA Spicy Curry, in the studio right here, and he's got a party light with him. Aaron, come say hi. Really? Yeah, come on, say hi to them, guys. We talk about Aaron when he's in chat all the time, and here we're gonna put a face to the name. Say what's up to the people, Aaron.
Hey guys, I know nothing about TA,
but that's why he watches Frankie Candles.
I watch Frankie Candles. He does a great. I go, Frank, you're doing a great job. No idea what you're talking about, but you're doing great.
Yeah, that's a common thing that I get. Hey, I love your show. No idea what you're talking about, but great show. I'm like, okay, thanks.
I just press record. That's all I know how to do. And apparently hold this cool light.
Yeah, look at that. We're having a party tonight, guys. Yeah, Aaron's hanging out because we're going to the Braves game in just a little bit.
Let's go.
So, Aaron Curry, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys. So, back to Bitcoin. Hard to put an actual time that we will see something happen. But just remember, weekends are low volume. It might get a little boring, or sometimes the whales like to come in and really mess things up on the weekends. We see some crazy Sunday pump, Sunday dump, whatever it is. Hard to put a time on it, but we have been doing deep dives into the cycle, into the Bitcoin cycles, trying to predict when we might see a bottom or when we may see a new all-time high. And that video is going to be on Ben's channel, BitBoy Crypto. I don't know if it's going to be this weekend or next week, but I think that it is coming out soon. So keep an eye out for that. We let you guys know where we think the bottom will be, a date, right? Obviously estimations, you can't call it to the day. But if we see history repeat or somewhat repeat, similar to what things have happened in the past, we could see a bottom sooner than later. It might be a quick and painless, right? Just rip that Band-Aid off. Go to 20K and let's just go flat and move up slowly from there. I'd be happy with that. All right. Weekend dump, boys. Yeah, possibly. Let the Mafia know who was talking to you like that, and we'll make them swim with the fishes. Let's go. Cultivating craftsmen. Let's get it. Yeah. Listen, these haters don't want to be messing with the CandleMafia. That's for sure. Strongest community on YouTube. You guys are the absolute best. That's why when we spin the wheel, I just keep spinning it until you get giveaways, because you guys are the best. Dr. Luton Sand says, Frankie, stop texting my girl. What? Don't let Mrs. Candle see this. Hey, Jess, if you're watching this, I have no idea what he's talking about. I only watch BitBoy show for you, Frankie. Hey, Nando, I appreciate that. Ben, listen, Ben, Ben has helped me out immensely in my crypto, crypto journey. Ben's got a lot of good stuff to say, but hey, I really appreciate that, man. I like to help the people. You know what I'm saying? like to demystify the charts, because sometimes I think things can get overcomplicated with TA. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Sundays are usually dump days too. Yeah. Let's see. Excited for that video. Yeah, chemistry, bro. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. Oh, thank you. I meant timeline. Yeah, I mean, listen, longer term. Just I'm not gonna go through a whole thing here, but listen. Essentially, Bitcoin is in 4-year cycles, right? And these are going to be very, very rough numbers. But I'll just kind of map it out here, right? First cycle, first halving kind of started somewhere around here, right? If I'm not mistaken. And then you had the 2013, you had one top, you had two tops, and then you came into the bear market. And then I think that, I don't know exactly where the halving is. You could probably pull up a chart and look at it. But then you have, maybe it was actually a little further this way. What is this, 2015? Yeah, no, it's probably something around here. Maybe it was right there. But then you have another big bull run, right? You have another halving. The supply gets cut in half. It becomes, basically, Bitcoin becomes more rare, causes a supply shock, and then people eat it up. Price comes up. And then, and then there's another 2019, let's see, 15, 16. Yeah, and then like something like that would be the end of that cycle, and then we started a new bull cycle. So something you'll notice here is like maybe it was even a little further or something like that. But we typically top out in the first half of these cycles, right? Again, these dates are rough. I don't know the exact dates off the top of my head, but you top off in the first half of the cycle, right? Top off in the first half, top off in the first half, and technically we topped off in the first half of this one as well. And then if you, our next cycle's probably, somewhere the top of the next cycle would probably, if history repeated itself, if the end of this cycle is 19, 19, 20. Yeah, I don't know the exact date, but say the cycle ended here. I just know more the date. I mean, something like, yeah, I would say, somewhere in here, like somewhere over here maybe would be the next top. If you repeat it and you top out in the first half of the cycle, you would have to figure out the exact dates. I have a whole chart that I made up. Watch that video. We break everything down in that video. Very, very interesting. Also, guys, last night I was actually having a little bit of fun with the with this bars pattern tool, right? And just kind of messing around, right? This is not legitimate TA. This was just like, I was just sitting there. I was bored. I was sitting by my computer, and I was just kind of messing around with things. And I was just taking like, well, that's the wrong tool. You want this. So I was just kind of grabbing these, right, from the, this whole little bull run to the bear market, like top to bottom. And then I was matching it up with, I was matching it up with the current cycles, right? I actually did it from 2013 to 2017 first. And I was just, let's get that, boom. And then I'll grab this all the way to, I guess, is that the bottom? Yeah, I guess this is the bottom. So, and then I would just match this up with the top here. Isn't this interesting? You grab the peak of the 2013 bull run, right? And you bring the peak to the peak of, the 2017 bull run. And this marks the bottom almost exactly, right? Like this bear, when you drag this over, yeah, you guys get it, right? Like this comes and almost comes down to the exact bottom. So it's just interesting, right? Like if someone happened to do this during, before we bottomed in this bear market, they could have just pulled a, this fractal here and dragged it on top of this. And they would have, if they were just like, hey, I wonder if this will be the bottom, they would have nailed it. Very interesting. And then, if you do the same thing, again, guys, this is not legitimate. Like, there's really nothing behind this other than just messing around, having fun, and experimenting with things. So I was like, that's interesting. I wonder if the same thing happened here. And granted, this brings you down to about 13K. Now, again, I don't know about that, but I don't know if we'll come that low. I'm more in the camp of like 20K would be as low as we went. But It is interesting, right? Because if we just go to this where this would have bounced and draw a horizontal line, it is perfectly on top, retesting that all-time high of this little fake out bull run that we had in 2019, like to the dollar, like perfect little test. So I don't know. I just wanted to burn this into the internet forever in case something crazy does happen. We'll just say we called it. But it was just interesting, guys. You know, nothing. This doesn't really hold any weight. I just thought it was interesting that when you extrapolate the data from the 2013 bull run and bring it to the peak here, it almost went right to the exact bottom. And then I just figured, I was like, it would be interesting if we did wind up getting a wick down to, you know, about $13,678. If that happens, there is something to be said about extrapolating previous tops on and moving it onto the next top to predict the bottom. There would be something there if that happened. And the fact that it does fall right on top of this 2019 fake out bull run thing is just interesting. So guys, I'm a nerd. This is why I'm able to do this for a living. People are like, how are you a trader? Like, you don't want to look at the charts all day. Like, this was fun to me. Like, I figured I was just doing this. I'm like, this is interesting to me. Thought it's a little investigative. It's just fun to look at. But yeah, I just figured I'd share that with you guys. I thought it was pretty interesting. And then I think if you actually go ahead and if we change this to actually just match the pattern a little better, right? So like it's more on top of the price action. Let's zoom in a little bit and let's see. Let me get rid of these drawings. No, it got rid of everything. Okay. But yeah, like if you just resize it a little bit to get a you know, get it to fit the price action a little bit. I mean, you can see like this is like maybe, you know, mid 20s. I say mid 20s is the bottom. If you match these bars up a little bit, you could kind of see that like the price action's not that off. This is very similar to 2018, right? We came down heavy, right? And then we got a little bounce. It's somewhat similar. And this is kind of what I was talking about. Maybe we move sideways for a little bit, right? And then you know, we just dump down, and this would bring us to mid 20s, right below these summer lows. It's just interesting, guys. Like I said, you know, take this with a grain of salt. This is not like, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I was just having a little fun pulling these bars and moving them around. I thought it was interesting. So I wanted to show you guys. It's literally what I think about at 2 in the morning when I'm sitting on my computer looking at charts, doing stuff like this. I'm like, oh, wow, can't wait to show the Mafia this. This is interesting. All right, let's see. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. We got 260 people in here. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Fridays are always a little bit slow for us as, you know, people have lives, they're out partying with their friends. But thank you guys for being here. Smash the like button. If you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure, every 100 likes, you get an extra spin and an extra chance to win a giveaway. We're already giving away 4 NFTs. Let's try to make it 5 or 6. But yeah. Also, sorry about the stream last night, guys. I don't know what the heck happened. I had full service. I had full bars on my Wi-Fi. It said excellent connection. I think the SEC was getting rid of us. They didn't want us, you know, Frankie Candles. The Mafia predicts this. There's this community out here, the CandleMafia. They predict things too well. Shut them down. SEC doesn't like it. They don't want us getting rich. They don't want us making money. So, you know, they just shut us down. I don't know what happened. But I do believe you guys, we had 300 likes. So you guys get 3 spins already today. So you start off with 3 spins. Right now, you got 4 spins because we got another 100 likes. Run it up to 250, 350 today. Get another 3 spins. Let's get it. Win a dang NFT. Let's see. Oh no. You guys are starting to take shots. Not a good sign. Keep in mind that the money supply pretty much doubled since 2020. So extrapolating the data from 2017 probably won't work as well as from 2013 to 2017. Yeah, great point, Connor. Great point. Yeah, these are the things you have to think about. Absolutely. Great point. God, dang, guys, you guys are the smartest crypto community on YouTube for sure, guys. Absolutely. That's why I love hanging out with you guys. That's why I love these live streams, chat back and forth, you know, talk about maybe things I don't see, right? Very good point, Connor. Very good point. Let's see. Damn, that looks right. Hey, Frankie from the UK. What's up, ProStar Gaming? Thank you for being here. Best mods in crypto. Absolutely. Looks like it will hit the golden pocket. Yeah, Matthew, that's what I'm saying. Just very interesting. I'll clip this so when it happens, you'll have the video proof saying it. Yes, Connor. Yes. And then if it doesn't happen, just delete the file. Just don't say anything. Just delete it. I'm just kidding. Crypto is my life. Absolutely, Peter. Can you look at Ape tonight? I started a short. Yes, we can take an ape. We could take an ape. We could take a look at ape in about 7 minutes. Yeah, where the weekly 200 AMA is. Yes. Any recommendations for buying PCs to trade and or make videos as well for YouTube content? Brandon, listen, for trading, there's really no hardware requirement. You could trade on your phone. That's why people always say, what's a good laptop for trading? Any laptop. Trading View, I guess, is somewhat graphically intensive, but I mean, you could trade on a Chromebook, a $200 Chromebook, or your phone. You don't need any special equipment. Now, YouTube's completely different. If you're looking to edit videos and stuff, I would look into maybe a gaming PC, something with, good video RAM and a really fast processor, right? Good graphics card. Yeah, maybe gaming laptop, or if you're looking for a desktop, just build a gaming PC. Basically, gaming and video editing are basically, you need the same stuff. So I would say that for YouTube. But yeah. Peebo, what's going on, Peebo? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. My friends won't talk with me about crypto. Glad this is around. Yes, Mike, we got you. We got you. I have an interesting kind of bull case on BTC. The all-time high was a fake out breakout from a wedge that starts from the April 2021 all-time high, bottom of the wedge from the low of June 2021, and we still haven't lost the wedge. Interesting. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so what are you saying? A wedge that starts from the April 2021 all-time high, bottom of the wedge from lows of June 2021. Okay. Something like this. Is this kind of... Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Is that what you're looking at? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's so hard to like take it from text and put it on the charts. Let's see. HMDI, a smartphone to a... HDMI, a smartphone to a 34-inch monitor, and you're good to go, man. Yeah, absolutely. Hello, Portugal. Shout out to everybody, whoever tuned in from Portugal. I appreciate you. A laptop with a big screen is best. Yeah, I would say focus more on the size of the screen for trading, because I trade on this laptop, and it's a small screen is not fun. I go home to my multiple monitors. It's like so nice. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, or F, as some people call it, or Erythrium, as your non-crypto friends call it. Oh, yeah. Shut up. You're always talking about your Erythrium. It's like, what? No. Anyway, guys, I don't know why I'm like this. The fact that the majority of people here talking about it or think it's a scam has me feeling like a permabull. People saying it's a scam? Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin's the biggest scam ever, guys. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I will say this, though, Brandon. You know, the fact that everyone's starting to talk about and everyone's starting to feel bearish. A lot of times when people are, everyone and their grandma's talking about it being bearish is typically when you see a turnaround to the upside. So that's probably the most bullish case, because there's nothing on the charts really that is looking great. So, I mean, I guess if you want to go off that being a bullish indicator, I guess that's probably the most bullish thing, is that, everybody's bearish. That's the biggest bullish thing. Let's see. Oh, I read that wrong. The fact that the majority of people hate talking about it, not here talking about it, hate talking about it or think it's a scam, add me a permabull. Yeah, totally. No all-time high is a fake breakout, so symmetrical wedge down. Yeah. Ignore my TA, but listen to everyone else's. Come on, Frankie. What's up with that? Wait, Lane, what do you mean? You asked, and now I'm telling you, please read it this time. Haha. Okay, here we go. Bottom. Okay. I got you, Lane. I got you. Bottoms are 23rd of January, 23rd of February, and now the 7th of May. Bring up the Investopedia triple bottom example, and it is extremely close, even making a higher low after the second low. Okay, so bottoms are 23rd of January, 23rd of February. Okay, let's look. Let's check it out. 23rd of January, 23rd of February. Let's see. Which January? 23rd. Let's see. Here. And 23rd of February. I assume you mean this February? 23rd of February. Oh, I got you. I got you. Second, okay. 23rd of February, and now the 7th of May. Okay. Okay. I think, is this what you're talking about? I think this is what you're talking about. Yeah, I assume. One. I don't know. I don't know. Lane, I think this is what you're talking about. Let's see. Investopedia triple bottom. Let's see. Let's see what Investopedia says. Let me see. Let me see. So I'm pulling up triple bottom on Investopedia, and it's showing boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Lane, I'm not 100% sure, man. Haha, it's so hard to explain TA on chat. Yeah, it's so hard. Not 21, 2022. No, haha, it doesn't make sense. Not 2021, 2022. Okay, let's try. We're going to get this. We're going to get this. So 2022. So January 20. Oh, is this what you're talking about? Yeah. Okay. 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 Boom. This is the 23rd, I assume. That's the 24th, but I guess that's close enough. And then February, yeah. Okay. 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 So, I mean, in my... Yeah, I mean, okay, so you're saying one bottom, two bottom. In my head, this is broken. Is that, Lane, is this what you're talking about? I think we got it. I think we got it. Let me know. Let me know. Daily chart. Yep. Okay, we're on the daily. I think this is what you're talking about. All right. Okay, I think that is what you're talking about. Hit me with it, Lane. Hit me with it, Lane. Let me know if this is what you're looking at. If this is what you're looking at, this is the 24th of January, the 24th of February, and then the 7th of May. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So this is if this was going to be a triple bottom, we would have bounced. It would have been 1, 2, 3, but we have broken this at this point. And then, I mean, if you move this trend line, down here, then this wasn't a bottom. You see what I'm saying? It's hard. It's hard to explain this through chat, but I think that's what you're looking for. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm not sure, but I don't want to spend too much time on this. But 1, 2, I would say that's invalidated because this is broken. But who knows? Who knows? Maybe we'll come down a little lower. Yeah, that's what I would say. But all right, not uptrend to make it. All right, it's so similar. It would take us to 33K and then bounce. Not uptrending, though. Make it flat. Okay, see, we're getting here. I knew we were gonna figure it out. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Maybe, I mean, we never really touched. This never really touched. If you draw it to the 22nd of January, this hasn't touched. If you draw it to the 24th of January, oh, 23rd, boom. Oh, Laney boy, we figured it out, brother. We figured it out. That's why you're saying the 23rd. Okay, boom. Okay, so you're talking about this. You're talking about boom, boom, and then boom. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, that's in play. Yeah, sure, that's in play. Yeah, we got it. We would have more to go. Yeah, okay. We got Elaine. This is definitely what you meant. Okay, I got you. I got you. So 1, 2, and then this will be 3. Let's go. Yeah, sure. That's in play. Maybe that's what has to happen. Maybe before we get a nice little relief bounce, maybe we come down there and then we bounce off. Who knows? But we figured it out. We figured it out, guys. My thinking was the higher low after the second touch, and then it came down. Yeah. Possible, Lane, for sure. Sweet baby Jesus, Lane has figured it out. Let's go. Please bring up Investopedia and look at the chart. And second low is higher than it breaks. Investopedia. There's our picture. Boom, 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 and up. There you go. Yeah, not impossible. Not impossible. We're also in a, yeah, not impossible. I think that could happen. We shall see. We shall have let time tell. Yes, for this year and compared to 28 and 2013, but the first one broke the bottom. Does that negate the triple bottom? Yeah, nah. I mean, listen. It maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I mean, you can really pick anything apart like to a detail. It really depends. Not impossible. I'll be honest. I don't think that triple bottom is going to bring us up to new all-time highs, but not impossible. Not impossible. You're a savage, Frank. Presidential clouds. What is going on? I appreciate you, man. What about the descending wedge on XRP? Began April 10th. Top at 28. Bottom is as good as a horizontal. Yeah, I know. People talk about that all the time on the XRP. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, people were calling this a descending triangle, but I don't think so. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what happens if this is. I mean, if this thing breaks out and we just consider it like a breakout, like a classic symmetrical triangle, we break down. Where does that bring us? It brings us to that right to the bottom. It brings us right to 17 cents. You know, right here where we wicked perfectly. So. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. But let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, guys. Now, something to note on Ethereum. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. You know, daily coming into the red with the money flow. If you come over to the 16-hour blood diamond, a couple yellow X's, but a blood diamond confirmed on the 16-hour. Yikes, not looking good, not looking very good at all. XRP action in the next 3 weeks, up or down. So here we go, Frankie. Let's go. Hey, I hope Gareth is right. At least something will happen. Thank you, man. Haha, so stressful doing that. Give me your number next time I'll call into the show. Yeah, maybe we'll do that where we're like, you could win on the wheel a call into the show and you just call in and you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Come up here, show charts. Come up here and show pictures of your cute kid or whatever you want. Maybe we'll have to have a pre-screening so we don't get people on here doing bad stuff. Frank said my name, life goals, presidential clouds, presidential clouds, presidential clouds. Now I said your name 3 times, 4 times if you count the first time. Whoa, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. You're part of the CandleMafia. You're family now, brother. There's no getting out of this. All right, blood diamond on the 16-hour confirmed, not looking too good. You know, it looks pretty bearish, guys. ETH does not really look good. Yeah, I mean, you got the 4-hour VWAP coming up, but it's really not good. You got the 6-day blood diamond, you got the 16-hour blood diamond, you got the yellow X's here, maybe foreshadowing a big move to the downside. 4-hour money flow in the red, even though you got the VWAP coming up. I don't know how strong these VWAP crossovers to the upside on the 4 hours are going to be, but typically when you get the VWAP on the 4-hour crossing up and the money flow crossover, see, this is what you want. You guys can see here, right? You have money flow crossover into the green right here, right? It's about to cross over. You're printing that green dot. We're going to put a horizontal line, right? Move it right there. Boom. So you're getting the money flow crossover, and then when you come to the 4-hour, boom, it's happening at the same time as that VWAP crossover, as you can see marked by the vertical line, right? We'll go back to the 15-minute. Boom, right on the money flow crossover. This is not financial advice, but this is a very good strategy. This strategy wins more than it loses. However, in this environment, I would be very, very careful with your longs. Very, very careful. You know, this is technically, yeah, I mean, this is technically a, you know, I mean, even if you do this, come on. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not taking that trade. I'll say that. But it is textbook. That is textbook what you're looking for a long. Maybe it plays out. Maybe it plays out. I don't know. It's very hard to say right now, guys. I'll just say this. Maybe it plays out, but be very careful because it's not uncommon to have things not play out normally when you're in a bear. You know, if it's looking like a long, might not play out just because of the bearish environment we're in. But, you know, let's check the DBSI. That was market cipher A. We want the DBSI. I mean, you're showing a 15. You could probably scalp this. Yeah, I mean, you could probably, let's pull up the VPVR. Yeah, you could probably scalp this. Oh, I'm going to have to change the dang settings again. Come on. You just can't get this right. Can't get it right, guys. 200. We'll go 100. Bada boom. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I mean, what is that? This, how much of a move is this? Boom. You come up here, catch a nice 10%er. I don't know. Maybe you come up to here, right? Yeah, maybe you come up here. I don't know, guys. I will watch out for that move. I mean, maybe we'll just, let's put in, I'm not really going to trade it. I don't really, I mean, we're in a bearish environment. I don't know how well it's going to play out, but, you know, let's just say you want to go for 1% on 10x, and then we'll keep our stop loss, you know, below these previous low-ish areas. Yeah, I mean, you could see if that plays out. We'll see. We'll watch it. We'll see what happens. I mean, you don't really have much volume here. You could just get a nice little zoot up to this level. Yeah, that could happen. Could happen. Not the best risk to reward ratio, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, if you want to be more conservative, you can go below that swing low. Let's pull a fib. Let's see. From there to there. Put your fib below the golden pocket, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't feel too confident. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it plays out. Should we put a trade in? I don't know. I'm not really feeling great about it, to be honest. I don't want to put a trade in and just get wrecked just for the fact to put in a trade. But, I mean, maybe it plays out. We'll see. Yeah. Oh, I don't know, guys. What's here to here? This is 0.3. Yeah, you might get rejected at that fib level. Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling indecisive, so I'm not going to put the trade in. Save the VPR settings as default. Who said that? Lucky shot. Thank you. Straightforward. Why haven't I done that? Just straight up nothing. No. Hey Frank, do this. Just save the VPR settings as default, and I just did it. It was like a command, and I just did it without thinking. Yes, thank you. Scared money. Now we will never have to deal with that. Lucky shot. Shout out to you. Someone took my money, but shout out to you. Thank you. This range sucks. Don't bother trading it. Yeah. What drinking game? Philly, Phil Cup, short beer pong. How do you use the fib level? Please, Anis, Tyler, or Tony, or someone, if you guys could link real quick, link my Fibonacci video. I have a video explaining it. It's too much to explain on stream here, but just go ahead and watch my video. I show you how to get the golden pocket level. I show you how to pull it, where to pull the fib from, when to use it, how to trade it, when not to trade it, more importantly. So definitely check that out. Hey, Fricka, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Yeah, lucky shot. You saved me there, man. I don't know why I didn't do that. If you don't feel the trade, then don't do it, Frankie. Doubled. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do it. But, you know, with that being said, the fact that we don't take the trade probably means it's going to play out. So there it is. Not financial advice, but just so you guys know, it's a perfect example of the 15-minute, 4-hour strategy that we use. It plays out very well. So there you go. Thank you, bro. No problem, Anise. There you go. Bada boom. Tyler Durden coming in clutch with the link. Thank you. All right, guys. go ahead and throw some altcoins in here so we could take a look at them really quick. And then, yeah, so we can take a look at the alts real quick because we do. Yes, we'll start off with Ape. Yeah, we'll start Certified TV. What's going on, brother? What's going on, man? Yeah, we'll check Ape right now. Oh, God, now I'm jonesing for a trade, guys. Oh, boy. Let's see. Just looking for bull divs. Yeah, not getting them. Not getting them. Little doji on the 30-minute, 2 hour. Nah, 1 hour. When you're getting the 4 hour VWAP crossover, 1 hour is coming down. Getting a little bit of mixed signals. I'm not going to do it. Let's take a look at Ape, guys. Boom. It's so funny. Chat lights up when you starting a Frankie Candles DAO selling land. Let's go, Crypto Billy. Let's go. Frankie, notice me. Notice me. Trayfel. I don't know how to say your name. Trayfel. Jason Smith, what's going on? Trayfel, what's going on? I noticed you. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, looking at you. What's up? Hey, it's me. Look, I'm on TV. Do I like fish? Yeah, I do like fish. Ape, so much volume. Don't do it. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at Ape, KuCoin. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, here we go. Now, on the 4 hour, you're getting the bullish divergence. Yeah, you know, I feel weird not taking that trade, guys, because, yeah, I mean, you have, going back to Bitcoin, we'll come back to Ape, I promise. You have the bullish div printing on the 4 hour. I would wait for the confirmation. I know we were just, yeah, look. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to do it. You could always get another trade. We're not going to do it. Okay, going back to Ape. Just forget about it, Frank. You don't need to do it. Okay. All right, here you go, guys. Ape on the daily. Checking it out. Yeah, I mean, this thing daily wasn't looking bad, but you're starting to curve down with the VWAP a little bit. VPVR settings. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by chat today, guys. I use row size 200, value area volume. I use 100%. All this does, or 100, all this does is, see how the candles are unshaded? If you turn this to 100, it makes them all colored. Like it shades them all in. It's just easier to see, in my opinion. But here we go, guys. Ape, daily, nah. Daily's looking, 16 hour, not a lot of information. I mean, VWAP coming up on that 16 hour. So there's a little bullish hope there. Let's check 10 hour. Yeah, VWAP looking like it wants to cross over on the 10 hour. 8 hour looking like it wants to cross. 6 hour looking for a cross. 4 hours probably crossing. Very, yeah, printing that green dot. Money flow not looking great, though. Looking like it looks like it wants to roll over. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, this is playing out on Ape as well. Yeah, I mean, yeah, 4 hour, yeah, your 4 hour VWAP coming up. I mean, it doesn't look very strong. The money flow is curving down pretty harshly. I don't know if you guys can see that coming straight down. VWAP, yeah, hard to say, guys, hard to say. Yeah, I mean, maybe you get a bounce. I mean, with the bullish divergences forming on a lot of these coins, it's looking like we want to bounce. I would just be careful longing in this environment. Frankie, is the future for DX around the clock or not? Not sure exactly what you mean there, Dennis. Frankie, what up? Jason Mack, what is going on? Frankie, what up? Got all the social workers in the office watching the Trading View vids, learning TA, patiently waiting for 29 to 33K to unload the Anchor protocol savings. Let's go, Jason Mack. Shout out to you and your workplace. Let's go, social workers. Well, watching the channel here, looking to beef up their investment portfolios, learning how to trade those dips and rips for some profit. Shout out to you, Jason Mack. I appreciate you and your coworkers. So shout out to you guys learning to make that money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, because we don't care. We're not scared of bear markets. We make money either way. There's proof right here. You could be making money going down too. Bada boom. 20% down, 20% up, 25% up. The price is coming down. People are scared of these crashes. I'm not. This is an opportunity to make money. Just like the rips are. You can make money going up and then make money going down. It's a beautiful thing, and I'm obsessed with it. So welcome to the channel. Frankie, hey, it's Granny. You heard Ripple bought 1 billion XRP? Interesting. Would love to see Mac. Would love to see Market Cipher on XDC, please. Okay, sure. Is it trade for 24/7 for DX futures? I'm not 100% sure, Dennis. Bing bong. Yeah, DCA, Michael, DCA, great strategy. Bing bong, Michael J. What is going on, brother? Okay. Is it traded 24/7 for DX futures? Yeah, Dennis, I'm not 100% sure. Anytime a coworker I don't want to talk to comes up to me, I just bring up crypto and they go away. Let's go. Perfect. That's great. I don't want to talk to this guy. Hey, you want to talk about yield farming? No? Ah, man. Oh, you're walking away? Shucks. Anyway, guys. Yeah, Ape. Look at the same thing. Bullish divergence. It's going to look like this on a lot of the stuff. All right, let's take a look at these. Let's take a look at these coins. Yeah, everybody wants FitFi. FitFi, guys, it is a step-in competitor. Yeah, step-in competitor. Let's take a look at it. KuCoin. Step app. Yeah, look, just no information whatsoever. Yeah, this is going to be hard. I'm going to have to find something with a little more hue. Oh, there we go. This has got, oh, wow. This has got much more history. Great. Daily probably still has nothing. Yeah. It's going to be hard to look at these charts, guys, because there's no price history because they're so new. But you got a big old green dot on the 1 hour. VWAP crossover. Money flow coming down, though. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour VWAP not quite looking like the same as everything else. 2 hour VWAP looking, that's about as close as it gets. VWAP looking to cross over. That is as close as it gets, guys. Let's see. I would say, boom. This actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, hard to say. There's very little information on this, guys. But you get a little bear div here, came down. Technically, no. Green dot on the 90-minute, 15-minute, looking to cross over. Hard to say. Hard to say. You do have resistance above you right here. At about 64 cents. If you do get a pump up, expect maybe a bounce off that 64-cent level. About 5% above you. Pop it over, bada boom. Maybe you can come up higher. Yeah, I'll be honest. I'll say 2 hour money flow coming into the red. Although you do have the VWAP coming up, but that money flow coming into the red's probably not a good sign. 1 hour money flow coming out. 90-minute money flow. VWAP curving up with the money flow. Hard to say. Not a lot of information on this, guys. So I don't short that blood diamond on ETH. Yeah, are you talking about which blood diamond? For 16 hour? I mean, yeah, 16 hour blood diamond. That what you're talking about? Turn them on. Wait, what? Is it oh, this is the SPY. I was like, what? 16 hour yellow X. You got the daily yellow X on the SPY. You got the 16-hour yellow X on the SPY. You got the 12-hour yellow X on the SPY. You got the 10-hour yellow X on the SPY. Oh, my God. It just keeps going, guys. 8-hour. Oh, my God, guys. The 8, the 10, the 12, the 16, the daily. Please, no. Not the 2-day. Okay, no 2-day. Guys, that is not good. That is not a good look. Don't FOMO into a trade. Short that blood diamond on ETH. All right, let's see. Let's see the blue to show Frankie love. Let's go. Crypto Granny, I appreciate you. A gizzard each in my Italian accent. Goomba Frankie. Let's go. Let's go, Crypto Granny. All right. Let's see. Next coin. Yeah, FitFi doesn't really have that much price action for me to look at. Let's look at PYR. You guys love PYR. Vulcan Forge, KuCoin. Ah, that was Bitcoin. Damn. PYR. Boom. All right, let's take a look. Boom. 2-day. Oh. Oh. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Oh. Hey. All right. Well, this is interesting, guys. From here, you go boom. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. So I thought this was a bull div on the 2-day. It kind of is. Not really, kind of, sort of, but not really. But a little bit, but kind of, but not really, but sort of. But not really. Kind of, but not really, though. Kind of, though, but not really. Anyway, yeah, okay, so 2-day, printed a green dot. I mean, VWAP up against that 0 line, crossing over, looking a little nice little double hump action. Bada boom, cross over the 0 line. 12-hour. Let's see. Yeah, 12-hour blood diamond confirmed. 10-hour. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour. Yeah, a 4-hour crossing up. 15-minute probably. Yeah, 15-minute just turned into the green. I'll say this: if you break this resistance, might be a quick ride. It might be a quick ride up to this level here. Right about, in this range, about, $8.60, $8.70, somewhere in here. Could be a quick ride. Could be a quick ride. Not a lot of volume here. Big gap in volume. You might get a nice shoot up there. Nice little boop. Little boop. Yeah. I would say you could have a quick ride up to this level. But yeah, I mean, and then, I mean, if you get up there, right, if you could get up here, again, things are looking really bearish right now. So I don't have really high hopes. But if you see Bitcoin really get a big bounce, if you can come up here, flip this to support, you could really, really rip up here, which would be nuts. That would be lit if that happened. But, 15-minute money flow crossover as that 4-hour VWAP is coming up. So you do have that going on for you. So doesn't look horrible. I mean, you're not getting the crossover just yet, though. But I'd be careful with the alts, guys. Be careful with the alts, especially if Bitcoin's going to continue to dump. You can check algo in the last 15 minutes. Yeah, I got you. Let's see. Crypto Billy says, hashtag FYP, find your people only here at Frankie Candles University. Absolutely, guys. Listen, if you're feeling lost in life and you're just feeling like you're not vibing, right? Go find your people. You might not be around your people, but the people you're supposed to be around aren't always in your hometown, right? So go find your people. I love my family in New York. I miss my family in New York. I miss my friends in New York too. Some of my people were in New York, but I came down here to Georgia and I really found my people. I found my people here. So go find your people, especially if you're feeling down or lost. Do something crazy. Go move. Go make a big move. Change your life. It's gonna feel scary, but that's how you grow. That's how life goes. You got to make scary moves. You got to do what people don't want to do to move forward. That's just how things work. And yeah, find your people. FYP, Frank Candles University. Tuition is free. Actually, you make money here. So boom. All right, let's see. I like quick rides. Me too, Weston. Me too. Yo, I'm having a breakdown. CJ, go find your people, my man. Let's see. My people are moose and bears. Let's get it. Meta money. I'm coming to steal Frank. That's Brian, guys. That's Brian. We are trying to go to this game. Mrs. Candles walking in right now. Oh boy, we got Mrs. Candles and we've got Miss Meta Money as well. One of the Mrs. Meta Monies. So we got Mrs. Candles and Mrs. Meta Money in here. And Brian, the Meta Money boss, is probably going to come down here and drag me off the set and I'll be grabbing my microphone. No, bing bong. All right, guys, I'm going to take a look at 2 more altcoins and then we're going to go ahead and spin the wheel and so I can get out of here and get to this game as feeling the pressure. Let's take a look at Gala. Gala was one of the top movers today, so let's take a look. Again, top mover on a day like this, you don't got to try too hard to be the top mover today. It's like being the smartest idiot. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, little popski, nothing too crazy. Yeah, VWAP coming down on the daily, money flow kind of curving out. Yeah, wow. Yeah, boom, boom. Green dot, nice little trigger wave here. No bullish divergence, but you got a nice little boom, boom here. Nice little trigger wave that could confirm, but you might just print a red one right after it. But nonetheless, not looking horrible. 4-hour VWAP crossover, looking like it's starting to flatten out already. Listen, I wouldn't have too high hopes with these longs, guys, to be honest. Even though everything is kind of set up for a long, it looks like they just want to roll over. Doesn't mean they can't come up, but it looks like to me like they want to just roll over and come back down, which would make more sense in my opinion. But you never know. Let's see. Hello, Mrs. Candles. Great to meet you in Miami. You took a great picture. Crypto Billy says hi, Mrs. Candles. She actually walked out, but it's funny because I told her when she asked me where I got the shirt, she mentioned you. She goes, I remember them. I took pictures of you guys. So I'll tell her that you appreciated that picture. It was a good one. Shout out to Crypto Billy. Okay. And let's go ahead and look at Sand. This will be the last one, guys. I do have to run out here. I apologize. Yeah, Sand, let's see. Daily. Yeah, VWAP coming down. Probably going to drag you deeper into the red with that money flow. 12-hour blood diamond on the 12-hour, not looking pretty. 6-hour, 4-hour. Yeah, you're getting the 4-hour VWAP. Not getting the crossover yet. You might print a green dot here before the candle closes, but yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't be too hyped about that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not expecting things to rip through the roof, guys. I'll say that. But 15-minute money flow, yeah, starting to cross over, but you don't have the VWAP on the 4-hour crossing over. Yeah, I mean, nothing really screaming at me. Yeah, you're in the red there. It's hard to say, guys. Be careful longing. I know a lot of these look good to long, but just remember we're in a bearish environment, so you want to be really careful, guys. All right, Candle Mafia, gotta go. Take care. Brush your hair. Let's go. Freedom, man. Take it easy. Thank you for being here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and pull these winners and go ahead and spin our wheel of pain and pleasure. We'll spin the wheel first. We'll spin the wheel first. Let's spin the wheel first. Let's see. What do we got here? 258 likes, 2 extra spins. Can you guys get an extra NFT giveaway? Hopefully you can. I'm hoping for it. I'm going to not forget to show my screen and give it a little spin ski. Here we go. Big money, guys. Big money. Give them a giveaway. Let's give away 5 NFTs today. Oh, so close. Funny hat. I think that's the 3rd funny hat we've gotten, guys. I will wear them next week. We'll just do multiple funny hat streams. Spin number 2. Here we go, guys. 261 likes. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And I wish you guys luck on the giveaway. I'll give you another spin because we can't do the deep fake. I'll give you another spin. I just want to give my money away, guys. I'm being honest. All right, here we go. Can't do the deep fake. We get copyright claims. If you're wondering why we can't do because it has a song, copyrighted song, we get copyright claims. Oh, funny hat, 4 funny hats. All right, guys. Well, we're still giving away 4 NFTs, and we're going to announce the winners right now before we sign off. All right, here we go. Let me just go really quick and go grab this link. Bada boom, guys. Let's go ahead and go to your videos. All right, here we go. Bada boom. You guys may hear my voice for just a second here. I apologize. I know you guys hear enough of my voice. Boom. Gonna pause it there. Boom. All right. Let's see. VPVR. Trading volume. Yes. Okay. Bada boom. I'm getting the nudge. Guys. I'm getting the polite nudge. Okay. Here we go. Picking the winners, and then we're getting out of here before Aaron and Mr. Meta Money and his wife beat me up. Let's see. Filter duplicate users. Include reply comments. We don't want that. Exclude blacklisted users, add extra entries. Okay, get YouTube comments. All right, here we go, guys. How many comments did we get? 246 comments. Hopefully we don't pick the scam Frankie Candles scammers to win the giveaway. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me just pull up chat so we can, okay. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. I'll relist them for half price. Let's go, CJ. All right, winner number 1. We got 4 winners, guys. Let's see. Who do we got? 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 Wendell! Is Wendell in here? I don't know if Wendell is in here today, but Wendell, I am pumped that you won. You've been in here for a while, so congratulations. Says, loving all that sauce. Hey, Wendell, I'll keep it coming. Go ahead and get yourself Nami Wild if you don't already, and get in touch with Tony or Tyler or Captain on Discord, and they will get in touch, and we will get you your NFT. Congratulations, Wendell. Let's go ahead and pick our second winner. Bada boom. Here we go. Jacob Sheets. I don't think Jacob Sheets is in here unless he uses a different name on YouTube. He might just be a pre-record man. Might not be able to make the live stream. So Jacob Sheets, great video, man. I appreciate the nice comment. Shout out to you, Jacob. If you're seeing this, you want a giveaway. So get in touch with the mods on Discord and get your Nami Wild address in my hand so I can send you a free NFT. Winner number 3. Winner number 3. Let's go. Looney! Looney, you're in here, right? Where you at? Where you at, Looney? Let's go, Looney. Let's go. You deserve it, man. Says CandleMafia, hashtag Bing Bong, LFG, SoCal chapter. Let's get it. Shout out to you, Looney. You deserve it. Shout out to you. All right. Winner number 4. Last winner. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Oh, David. I think David already. It's a good indicator. You can also get it for free for 30 days with a pop-up with the pop-up trading view. Gives you, try to use it, indicators out of the paid indicators. Great video and breakdown. Thank you, Frankie. Thank you, David. I appreciate you, David Brumbley Jr. Shout out to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the nice comment. You want an NFT. If you're seeing this, please get in touch with the mods on Discord so we can go ahead and get you your NFT. These ones are pretty cool, guys. I forget the name of them, but they're very, very cool. I'll get in touch with the mods once they have all the addresses, and we will send them out as I am getting another polite nod from our man, Aaron Curry from Hit Network and BitBoy Crypto. I'm going to have to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. 229 people in here. Yeah, guys, I think that's all I got. Sorry.
Tyler Ramos.